morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Hump Day, Wednesday, and it's December 30th. We got two items here on the economic calendar. We'll start off with the Chicago PMI, which is the manufacturing data in the Chicago region. And this is for the month of December. So November we had a 58.2. Anything above 50 represents expansion territory. So we're obviously expanding in November. Forecast is supposed to be a slight downturn of 57 for December, and it actually came up a little higher, 59.5. So obviously very good news right there that we're seeing an uptick in manufacturing for the Chicago region. Last but not least, we got the pending home sales for the month of November. October was revised a little bit better. It showed a drop of 1.1% in pending home sales, and actually was revised slightly higher to 0.9%. Forecast is supposed to be unchanged for the month of November, and it came in at 0.2% drop. So unfortunately, sales dropped another 2.6% for the month of November here. So let's take a look here at the headline news. Stocks are up this morning. As kind of expected, the Senate rejected that $2,000 stimulus that the House passed and President Trump was pushing for. So they just went ahead and basically rejected that. So they're starting. Mnuchin had basically stated that the checks are in the mail, so they're starting to get some of that stuff out back to the American people. So let's see what's playing out in the bond market and see what mortgage rates are doing today. We lost a lot of the gains we had yesterday, so things kind of pulled back a little bit. Today we're kind of retracing those same gains that we lost yesterday. So rates, basically, what that means is mortgage rates are basically unchanged from what we saw yesterday. We didn't really have any price changes to the worse or anything. So the lenders just kind of sat there, but today they should be about the same as what we saw yesterday. Yields are still kind of like what we saw the previous day at just under 0.94 or at 9.935 again. So we're still kind of seeing this no man's land here between the technical ceiling and this 25-day moving average that's kind of rising upwards as we kind of go upwards. So again, mortgage rates remain unchanged. If you guys are in the market looking to refinance or purchase, please reach out. I recommend just direct message me through the site that you found this video at. A little bit about myself. I am a loan officer. I do work with the national lender. We do lend in all 50 states. We can certainly help you guys with your purchases, with the pre-approval letters, so you can get your offers accepted as well as finance that property. Refinances, we can certainly help you out with their getting the better rates, getting you taking money out of the properties, putting into a 30 to 50 or 15-year fix, different things like that. We can certainly run some numbers for you and find out what would be best suited for your needs. So please feel free to reach out. Again, the best way to reach me currently is through the I will accept a link later on, but at this point, just go ahead and reach me through the direct message of the social media site you found this on. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.